All right, I got my Thrive Market haul in this morning. I've got some roasted garlic sauce. I've got 2 packs of spaghetti, and I got a big bag of popcorn that's already popped, and got another jar of mustard, and I got a jar of ketchup. I've been waiting on these. Those are Nature's Bakery gluten-free fig bars. There's 12 2-packs. So I can't wait to get into those and eat them. I got some more chocolate chip, wait a minute, chocolate chip cookies. And I got 2 bags of this vegetable table chips. It's like potato chips, but it's vegetables. Then I ordered me some oats, some more oats. I've been stocking up. But that is my haul today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and we get all this over there. That make the thumbnail. But if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I've got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day.